Oh my god, I keep playing and I don't even know the other cat stuck on the blanket. Nobody put him there, he just stuck there. They're just playing and the other one is here. Hui, get out there! How did he go in here, Charles? Jessica! Jessica! Jessica, Carlo just go by himself under the bed.
How did he get under there?
I don't know. And Charlie, they're just playing, and then I just saw him here. I thought, what's moving here?
What the heck? Is he stuck?
Oh, I think he's stuck. Had to open the bed.
What?
Oh my god. Where are you? Oh, she's not here. Where are you? He's over there. You stuck. What Charlie doing in the bag, Carlo? He's gonna fall off soon. Charlie! Charlie! Now I see him now. Oi! Hey! Oi! Carlo! Carlo! What are they doing? They look so cute, both of them. Ah, they're just playing. Oh, you don't fall off, Charlie. Hey. Now Carlos gonna go there. Now your turn. You go. You go. Come on. Oh no, not finished. Charlie, what do you think you're doing? You're gonna fall off soon. You're inside the bag. Oi! What are you guys doing? He's there inside the bag. Oh, you're gonna fall off soon. You're gonna fall off, Charles. You're gonna fall off soon. Uh-oh. Well, who said you can sleep in there? Wake up. Wake up. I'm gonna get it changed. You. Wake up. I need to get changed and you're sleeping on my clothes. Huh? Wake up, you little. Wake up, you little catty. Wake up. I said, get up. Get up now. No. Come here. Come. Get up. Move here. Move here. Why you don't listen, huh? Why you don't listen? Oh my gosh, how I'm gonna wear my clothes? I sit on you. I sit on you. I sit on you. Get out there. Move. Go. Oh my gosh. Go. Doesn't want to sleep with me. Smack your bum. Smack your bum. Smack. Alright, you can stay there, but I need to get my clothes on, okay? Yeah? Naughty boy. OMG, sleep like this. And now he's awake. What you think you're doing? Hmm? What are you doing?
Tired of the same boring vacation? Let us plan your next getaway to a one-of-a-kind island resort
Relaxing, isn't it?
Welcome to
Hello, Charlie. What's on the top? Yes, a little wombat. Oh, that's so cute. Well, while I'm washing the dishes, they're waiting for me. Yeah, both of them. Let's eat together. And I have my lunch as well, and they just sit there and wait for me because they already eat. They want to be with me all the time, which is cute. Go on, smell his butt.
Wait till he's actually playing with everything.
Charlie? Charlie?
We need to take him to the vet.
No fighting, okay? You guys wanna come here, but I want you both don't fight. Otherwise, you can go away. Yeah, just sit like that. And love. Alright? So I just wanna relax. I don't wanna see you guys fighting like enemies. Especially you. You're very, very naughty. You know that? Naughty. He's a good boy. The Charlie boy. Falling asleep now. You. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Oh, he's very naughty. He's a feral. Mm? 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 Oh, see, he's naughty. Why doesn't bite me hard? Just look. Just look if he's gonna bite Charlie. I'm watching you. I'm watching you, boy. Well, should better let you both go because I need a shower. And you sushi. And you sushi. See, he's naughty. He's the one who's naughty. You very naughty. You very naughty. He likes to bite Charlie. See? Naughty. It's okay, boy. I know he's naughty. Love you, Charlie. He's only baby. Yeah, I know you love me. Come here. Kiss, kiss, mommy. Kiss, 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 mommy. Oh, yes. Oh, Carlo. Oh, Carlo. He's ignoring you. Charlie. He wants to play with you. You guys like to sleep there. Yeah? You like to sleep on top of the clouds, Charlie? You go and relax. They've been running around all day long. I love them so much, both of them. But Carlo, he's a very, very naughty boy. But Charlie is a very good boy. Very loving boy. Carlos is a loving boy as well, but very naughty. Okay. He loves him. Finish now. Finish cleaning.
Glass there somewhere? Gotta slip the glass there. You bet.
Bring it there, babe.
Yeah.
Hello, little momskins. You're so cutie, 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 cutie. You're so cute. And you're too little cutie, cutie. I love you both. Love you? Hey? You like to stay there? Wait for mommy? Sleep on my clothes? Hey? Hi, boy. What are you doing? Relaxing? What are you doing? So relaxing, eh? This cat sit on anything. Whatever you put, he sits on it. Look. He's a crazy cat. Yeah. Are you agree that he's crazy? You're not crazy, aren't you? He's just naughty.
Nah, he's extra crazy.
Very naughty boy. But he's a good boy. And he's a very loving boy. His name is Carlo. And his name is Charlie. I should call him Carlo. Charlo, not Carlo. Huh? Loving boy. I love both of them. But this one, I love him very much because he's so loving. He's like a real person. He cares about you. But this one, he's so naughty. Very, very naughty. He can be loving sometimes. He's tired now, Bob. Oh, sleeping on Charlie's butt now. Oh, your eyes is so cute. He's so cute. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What about your eyes? Is your eyes cute?
He's too tired. He can't even open his eyes.
Yeah. Wants to sleep on the book.
Now both of them are tired.